The Dragon Ball character you've all been waiting for. Krillin. Wait, maybe you're all waiting for Yamcha. Yamcha's like the strongest. So, you know. Krillin's like second strongest. So, um, let's go. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause, we go too fast. We're going to start to center the eyes with that Dragon Ball W frown that they have. Right, so go. So we just go down, round, like a W. And the eyebrows then will come out from there. So we'll go, like, just tick it up. And curve like that. The end comes across, down to there. And then we add some lines like so. And then around here. Like that. Square end. And bring it down. Like so. And then just some hatching lines on the end. So Krillin's eyes aren't like sort of Saiyan eyes, they're more round. So like curves around here, big, right? And then in towards where his nose would be. So around, and then in towards the nose. Pupil and iris are just black circles. Coming down from the eyebrow. Just there. And he doesn't have a nose, but we will give him some of these sort of hatching lines, cheek lines on his cheeks. And his mouth, relatively simple mouth, like so. And some just hatching lines just underneath his lip. Maybe some frown lines, like so. And then his chin. So chin comes around like this. His jaw then comes out from there. And you're sort of stopping mouth level. See here? And underneath sort of the edge of his eyes or his eyebrows in that area, because that's where you want to like turn, you know, and go up. So you're across from his mouth, underneath sort of the edge of his eye or his corner of his eyebrows, and then you'll go up towards his ear, like so. And his ears kind of come around here. They're real big, right? They're above his eyebrows. Down. And you have the start of his head then. And then you have ear lines inside. So easiest way I always say to start is just like this letter J sort of thing. It can be bumpy. And then you can add some more detail inside, like this kind of stuff. Lots of different ways of doing that now. Every anime does it different, every artist does it different, so it's kind of up to you. So then, big round bald head. So this whole distance, you go up again, right? So like chin to say nearly the top of his ears is the same up to the top of his head, kind of up here. And so here to here is about the same as here to here, roughly. Right? You just want to be in around that ballpark area. Okay. And then we will go around down into there, right? We'll try and do the same thing over this side. And then 6 circles on his head for some reason. Are these ever addressed in the series? Like, does Goku like, why do you have those tattoos on your forehead? Bet he has some like secret power that's going to be unleashed soon. And he'll become Earth's mightiest warrior. His collar just comes down around from his jaw. So, collarbone or top of his chest. There. Neck muscle lines here. This side. Trapezius will go that way. And center line for his chest there. Clothing, so we go bumping because it's fabric like this. And then this will go around. Sleeveless, so this is his kimono. Or gi, I think it's a gi would be the official name. And we have some fold lines. And this goes around. And when we get to the middle, he has a belt. This kind of thing going on, right? So he's got like this tied knot. Like that. And then that goes down, hangs down where it's tied, his blue belt. And then I go this side as well. Add some fabric lines. And then his hips. And some fabric lines. So, arms. So, big shoulder muscles. There. Tricep. Out like that. Tricep on the other side here. So we're front on arms, right? So that means the bicep is like inside. You draw it in like that. You could add another shoulder muscle line there if you want. So the forearm comes out. And this will go into his wristband there. There might be like another sort of line like so, and his wristband, blue wristband comes around like this, disappears into his fist, right? So thumb making a fist, so thumb comes around like so, goes in behind his index finger, which is here, goes up, and you just have like 4 knuckles now, kind of like steps going around like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then 4 fingers. 1, 2. This one goes behind the thumb. 3, and that's the 4th. So then this finger goes up here. This one this way. This one this way. And you can add some like knuckle lines. Kind of like that. And then the top of his wristband there. And then that goes up that way. And then his thumbnail just in there. And then we just do that over here. Mirror image kind of. Shoulder, tricep, bicep then in here. Forearm, bumps. And then his wristband doesn't have to be exact same, you know, roughly same shape. Right, and then thumb. So thumb here. Comes around. Goes around his index finger, around behind it. Which goes up. 1, 2, 3, 4 knuckles. And then you go down again. And you go 1, 2, 3. And that's the fourth one there. So you can have like a knuckle line there. And then each one of these is a finger. And some knuckle lines. And then the wristband just goes here, bottom of his hand. Like so. Shoulder line there. Boop, beep, boom. Okay, so then his crest, this is optional, but I'll add it as best I can. We just have this sort of circle here. If you cross a fold, see, it's going to have to be like, it's kind of like tucked in underneath, maybe a little bit just here, because you got a fold line, see, so you can't see it. And then we have all this calligraphy. So I'll do it as best I can, but it's not going to be perfect. Starting like this, and then this line kind of goes down like so. Thick. And then there's like 2 lines on the side. So like if you did this with a brush, it'd be way quicker. Like that. And then there's lines that join these together. And just make this outside edge a little bit thicker. Right, but I think that'll have to do. That is how to draw the strongest sea fighter. Yamcha. No. Krillin. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.